Have you ever tried festival and fall in love with it and want to make some of your own? Join me in my kitchen. Let me show you how to make some tasty Jamaican festival. For this recipe, I am using some coconut milk, some yellow fine cornmeal, brown sugar. I have some salt. I have some baking powder. And right over here, I have some all-purpose flour. So to make some quick and easy festival, I am going to combine all the ingredients. Once again, a big shout out to all my faithful subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for your support. And welcome to all you new viewers. Thank you so much for being here. I am using some coconut milk here just to give it a nice coconut flavor. You can use regular milk or you can use water. But I would advise you, if you are going to use water, add some butter to give it a nice flavor. Now that our dough is kneaded soft and nice, ready to make our festival. But we will need to dust it with some dry flour so we can work with it easily. We don't want to add too much flour to knead it in to harden the dough. So you want to carefully dust it just with enough for you to handle the dough. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taking off all the dough that got stuck on my hands, and I'm going to knead everything together. So here I have a small piece of dough that is dusted for me to work with it well. So here I'm round it up into a ball. Then I move my hand up and down to get this long length shape. That's the way we make our festival. So I will continue to do the same. Just dust my hand with a little flour. Take a small piece, roll it up like a ball. Then I'm going to roll it out into a long length. We don't want to make our festival too thick. We just want to make them about probably an inch. An inch is good enough. It will fry easy. Grease your container with some oil before you add your festival so they can easily remove. So this is our lovely festival ready to fry. So here our oil is nicely hot on medium-high heat. You want to make sure you have enough oil so when you add your festival, you notice how it almost covered by the oil. We want to have that much enough to give it a beautiful fry and make sure it's soaked properly. So we will allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes before we go ahead and turn. Here you can see we have a nice golden color, beautiful, just the way we want our festival to look. So now our first portion is done. So I am removing it from the oil, and here I add it to a rack to drain all the excess oil. It is better this way to keep your festival crunchy and nice. There goes my second portion, and I will follow the same instruction as the first portion. So here we have some beautiful festival that was easily done. And this can be eaten with some jerk pork, some jerk chicken, some escovitch fried fish. Go ahead guys, try this lovely festival out and drop a comment below and let me know how did it taste. Try one of the festival, try your festival with the jerk pork, jerk chicken, or the escovitch and let me know. Or you can just go ahead and eat it just like it is. It is similar to fried dumpling, as you can say, baked, but this is tastier in my opinion. Look how beautiful they look on the inside. Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.